everyone! Today we are going to have a new material for Lintas Minat Bahasa Inggris. Our discussion today is about Hortatory Exposition Text. Well, have you ever heard about Hortatory Exposition Text before? We're going to talk about it deeper. Firstly, everyone, let's talk about the definition of Hortatory Exposition Text. Hortatory exposition text is a text that is intended for the writer to make the readers or the listeners believe on something or not to believe on something, or even to persuade people to do something or not to do something. That's why everyone, basically, the aim of the text is to persuade people. If you hear the word persuading, it means it hortatory exposition text. Persuading something, hortatory exposition text. So, okay, after hearing the definition and also the aim of the text, now let's move on to the generic structure of the text. Students, for hortatory exposition text, there are three different kinds of generic structure. The first one is thesis, the second one is arguments, and the last one is called as recommendation. You will see these three different kinds of generic structure on this following example. Students, this is the example of hortatory exposition text. You will see different kinds of colors representing different parts of the text. Firstly, let's see the blue color. Blue color there represents thesis. Students, thesis contains the main topic or the main idea of the text. That's why this should always be placed in the very first part of the text so that the listeners or the readers will know exactly what you are going to talk about. The second one is called as arguments. Arguments here used to support your idea so that the people will believe on you. That's why the more arguments you have, the better. The last one is called as recommendation. Here, in the recommendation, usually the writer tries to strengthen the idea by recommending something to the readers so that the readers will always believe on this idea. That's why everyone, recommendation is usually placed on the very last part of the text. So that's about the generic structure of the text. Well, students, it's time for you to practice. This practice will focus on your reading skills. So please read again the text because the quiz will be based on the text. Thank you so much for paying attention today. I'll see you later. See you again.